Hey, my name is Greg and I'm driving instructor from LGSM Lucky Greg School of Motoring.
Yeah.
I teach the Harish. Hopefully he going to pass on the first time for the first attempt. And I teaching around the Dublin, all of the Dublin. Already I live in Talach, you know. Oh, 12 years.
Oh, you're very experienced. The way you teach me also, it's like very good.
Thank you very much. It's nice to hear.
Yeah, so I
do what my best, actually.
Yeah, it's very fun.
Thank you very much. It's nice to hear, you know.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you for
Thank
teaching.
you, Harish. You're a great man. Thank you.
Thank.
Okay, Harish.
Okay, I have put my seat belt. Yeah.
We have to start first.
So mirror signal.
Then, here we go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Start again.
Okay. Okay. So I put my signal.
And?
Mirror. And we have to look 3 times back.
Yeah.
3 seconds.
Very good.
And I have to go by looking at the mirror. Yeah.
Yeah. The best. I give you advice.
Okay.
You have to always talk to yourself what you have to do step by step. That's the forward planning. That's the most important on the test. That's the forward planning. The tester can't actually, surprise you. You have to know what you want to do.
Okay.
Okay. At the T junction we going right.
Okay, let's stop. Okay, let me see.
And take the right again.
Okay.
Talk to me. What you going to do?
Right. We
Yeah.
have to put the indicator
Very good.
and signal. Yeah.
Very good. And keep going.
I have learned from you, Greg.
Exactly. You're going to pass on the first time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Remember about observation, okay?
Yeah, observation.
Before change any maneuver, check the mirror, okay? If you overtake somebody, mirror as well.
Okay. So left
If
or
you come back as well, mirror.
which side? Left.
Yeah.
Okay. Mirror left.
Which gear?
First gear. Plan and observation.
Observation.
We will pass.
And talk to yourself what you're going to do. The tester can't surprise you. That's the most important, okay?
Okay.
If he going to tell you, for example, turn left, you need to have plan. Mirror, signal, slow down, reduce, observation, decision.
Yeah.
And speed up. Remember progress.
Progress.
Very good.
It's nice.
And here we go.
Yeah. Straight road.
Harish is the master of the straight road. At the roundabout, third exit right, please.
Third exit right. Okay.
Start prepare.
Okay.
Far away, yeah? Very good.
And third exit right.
Yep.
From here we have to.
Yep.
Okay. Mirror.
Yeah. Okay. That's the part of the test ride.
Okay. Show the road, yeah?
Yeah. Keep going. Okay.
Okay.
And the traffic lights be going straight.
Straight, okay.
Yeah. And keep position.
I can see the front wheel.
No, you can't. Because I can't. Then you can't as well. You are too close a bit.
Yeah, little bit.
Yeah.
Little bit. We have to see the back wheel, yeah?
Yep.
Even camera cannot see. So this is advantage of keeping a camera. Safety.
Safety, exactly.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay. Understand?
Yep. This is another part of the test.
The position.
Yeah, position.
That car is slow.
On the test, you have to remember you drive with somebody, okay? Then the person who is driving with you, it has to be hand. It has to feel comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
Are you feeling comfortable?
Me?
Yeah.
Always. I just relax. I'm always relaxing.
Yeah. Today, how many people are there?
Today,
Yeah.
4.
4. Okay.
I started at 7. Today, really morning.
Oh, okay. Tiring also. Yeah.
No, I'm okay. I like my job. This is the most important. If you like it,
Yeah.
what you can do, then you're not tired.
Yeah.
You are never be at work,
Yeah. You like if you like what you do, it will be
Pleasure.
great pleasure.
Yeah.
Passion.
Passion, that's it.
Yeah.
My passion, it's motorbikes as well. I teaching on the motorbikes.
Yeah. You do. Yeah. I remember. You have a BMW, right?
I have.
BMW.
Yeah.
You teach on BMW.
Yeah, I teach on the BMW F800 GS. I have MT-07, CB500X, that's the Honda, and the new Honda CB125.
Ooh. Okay. So, like, if we are buying a new car, like, what all things we should keep in mind? It's like, definitely, like, a lot of people will be buying a second-hand car.
Yeah.
So, what all things should we keep in mind?
Low mileage. That's the most important.
Low mileage.
Yeah, and the service book as well.
Logbook.
Logbook.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is very important, yeah.
And go with somebody who know the car.
Okay.
The mechanic.
Yeah. And by looking at the number plate also we can see the year, and 2 is first part of year, second part of year, and D is for like which county.
Exactly.
You told me before.
182. It's mean the car is from 2018.
Yes.
And the 2, it's mean that's the second part of the year. Then it's okay. Go straight.
Okay.
And D, it's been Dublin.
Dublin.
The county of Dublin. Yeah.
Okay. So rest is the registration number.
We go in at the next traffic lights. We go in left. Okay.
Okay. Rear signal.
Very good.
From here?
No, left at the traffic lights.
Okay.
And check for the cyclist.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes. The stopping should be a little
More gently.
Okay. Closer to the left.
Closer to the left. Yeah.
Okay.
Never observe the different cars. Okay. You have own plan.
Okay.
Very good. This is it. And progress. Very nice. Keep like that.
Straight road I always like.
Yeah, Harish is the best man on the straight road. No,
So this is a motorway, right?
No, it's not.
It's not a motorway.
No.
It looks like a motorway.
This is N11. This is national road.
National road. Okay.
Very good. You need to show to the tester you are pro. You're not a learner.
Yeah.
Very good.
The road signs.
Yep. We go in Dunleary, direction Dunleary.
Then
Yeah.
this thing, handbrake and the biting.
Gentle biting.
Yeah.
Very good. Don't roll back. Very
Yes.
good. Keep like that. Very nice, Harish. You almost passed full drive license.
Thank you.
Very good. And
Progress.
progress. Very good. Very nice. And keep the progress. Keep another gear. Keep the speed. Very good. And position. Observe far away. Where do you want to go?
Straight.
Yep. Straight through. Yeah.
Get over.
Yep.
No one is behind now. Maybe
Then,
the traffic
of
light.
course you can. Speed up. Don't be aggressive.
Yeah.
Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up.
Okay. Mirror signal.
Very good.
Progress.
Progress.
Maybe fifth gear.
No,
No?
no. Very good, Harish.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will put that in the video.
And at the traffic lights, we go in left, okay?
Left. Okay.
Left and then left again.
Okay.
Where's position?
Yeah.
Gently with the brake.
Brake is killing.
Just keep it. Don't press on the end, okay?
Just keep it.
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry.
Where's your position?
Yeah.
Oh, observe where do you want to go?
Okay.
We go in left.
Left again.
Mirror.
Mirror signal.
Very good. Far away, observe. Far away. In the middle of your line.
Middle of the line. Yeah.
And take the right, please. And
Signal. Yeah.
yeah.
Almost to the middle. Yeah.
Yep.
I think I pass.
Almost. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Very slow and steady.
Very good position. This is it. And we going straight, okay? Straight through.
Position is good.
Yeah. And we go in left. At the T-junction, we go in left.
Okay. Left.
Very nice. That stopping was perfect. Yeah. Gently, slowly.
And we check.
Very good. If somebody across, just wait.
Okay. But she was almost half the way.
Just wait.
Okay.
Because she's not full across.
Uh-huh.
She can forgot something, come
Yeah.
back, on the road, wherever. And progress.
Progress.
Speed up, smooth. Perfect. And
Third gear.
very good. How are you keeping, Harish, today?
Yeah, it's good.
Take the left, please.
Take the left.
Yeah. Very good. Happy enough. Very good. Position. Yeah. The taxi depends about the engine size.
Engine size.
Yeah, and CO2.
Okay.
And you can check on the special table, how it's look, the
Tax.
tax. slowing down, check the mirror. The back mirror. If you're speeding up, sides. And
Progress.
good man. Very good. This is nice progress. And
Speed up. 38.
yeah,
The roundabout.
we're going straight.
I don't have the
Where was the biting?
Actually, I don't have the practice of holding
Then?
handbrake, and
That's okay. Stop. Stop here. No, stop. Very good. Handbrake up. Gently. Too sharp. Gently. Fight the bite. A bit. Don't look at there. Look forward. Very good. You have to feel how it's going. Very good. And now gently accelerate. Gently. Very good. And now release the handbrake. Try. And if you add more accelerator, okay. Next time, don't brake with the handbrake. Okay, we're using handbrake just for secure the
okay.
car,
First, I have to apply the leg brake and then.
handbrake on. Make sense? Look around. Very good. Another side. Very good. Oh, it's really raining.
You see in right side. I think it is down lady.
Yes.
Yeah, this is down there. Yeah.
Into the fishing one day. Here. Not here.
Fishing?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, there,
But
there,
we
there.
didn't get anything, but we'll try again.
Try again and again.
Yeah.
Good fishman.
Yeah.
Grze. Very good. That was very good. Grze. Gorz.
Gregor.
And now Brzęczyszczykiewicz.
Param Puri. Param Puri.
Pori.
The driving was interesting today. So Greg has guided me all the way. So it was a very interesting driving today. So
Like usual.
yeah. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed Greg. He's very good instructor. Like so.
Harish actually, he is good, very good pupil, and he listen and he doing what he have to do, and he know it. Just practice.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Harish.
So I will be leaving the number and the description. So if you want to call him, you can call him. So until next time, peace out. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.